Hello, and welcome to the advanced series of lectures on learning to excel with Microsoft Excel. My name is Jay Zargosky, and I teach in the Questrom School of Business. This Learning to Excel course has 3 levels: Basic, Advanced, and Power User. Right now, you're about to start watching the middle level. In this series, I assume you know how to use the program, but are interested in advancing your skills to the next level. This series of videos covers 4 topics. The first 4 videos will cover logic functions and if statements. These tools let you automate business decisions. We will first look at simple if statements, which enable you to make 2 choices. Then I'll go over the and, or, and not logic functions. These expand the number of things you can test before making any decision. And the last 2 videos cover nested if statements and Excel's countif function. These transform simple if statements into very complex and powerful tools. Next, we'll cover graphing in 4 videos. The first video looks at bar and column graphs. The second video teaches you how to create line graphs. The third and fourth ones are my favorite: XY scatter plots. Scatter plots are underutilized in business, but when used properly provide insights that just cannot be gotten from bar, column, or line graphs. The third topic in this series of videos is randomization. Randomization is important for simulating what will happen in business. It's also important for surveying and polling. I'll show you how to use randomization also for quality control. The last set of topics cover naming of worksheets, ranges, and cells. Naming is important when one Excel file is used by many people or when you refer back to a file months or years later. We end with a lecture on correlation, which mathematically shows if 2 series of data have any kind of relationship. Wow, that's a lot to cover, so let's get started. I'm Jay Zargosky, and thanks for watching.